Ramadan Mubarak to all. Today 25th Ramadan 2017. I got here tapioca, which is Sabudana. This packet here is from our local store. I've washed 3 times and soaked them in water for a couple of hours, then drained the water, let them leave them alone for another half an hour at least, and then I cooked in plain water this Sabudana kheer or phirni, which looks very nice, almost transparent. I haven't added anything. I should add some cardamoms. I'll add later the kismis or raisins, sultanas, next dry fruits, saffron melted in milk, which is the milk here, and it's for iftari. It will be very cool and soft iftari, part of our iftari today. So this is Sabudana kheer phirni for iftari. Today here at home chicken I have for iftari today. Other bit is jackfruit from Bangladesh, cattle, and Sanjida making this cake. What cake? Victoria cake. It will be for iftari as well. Later, this is what time it is now?
5.
It's 5:25. So iftari will be exactly
4 hours.
9:25 today, I think.
Yeah.
Here in Portsmouth, England. Thank you very much for watching Sabudana phirni kheer. Well, not complete. I'll complete it later. I'm settling it down and I add these edible all this stuff, and it will be most tasty. One of the tastiest iftaris in the world.